Allergen immunotherapy is a type of treatment to reduce the frequency and the severity of allergy symptoms.
So how does it work?
In this treatment, what we do is we give the substance that the patient is allergic to in increasing concentrations so that the body develops tolerance to that substance, so that once they are exposed again to that substance, they won't have a reaction, a severe reaction to it.
So who should get this allergen immunotherapy done?
Patients with nasal allergy, persistent asthma are candidates for allergen immunotherapy, especially if they are not responding optimally to medical treatment or if the severity of their symptoms are increasing despite the medical treatment.
So what are the different immunotherapy treatment options we have?
The different immunotherapy treatment options are: one is in injectable form, the second is the oral form. So in the injectable form, what we do is we give the injection below the skin, that is called as subcutaneous immunotherapy. In oral form, we give allergy drops that are below the tongue, that is called as sublingual immunotherapy.
We have many treatment options. So what are the benefits of this allergen immunotherapy compared to them?
Allergen immunotherapy is the only treatment that addresses the cause of the allergy. Other treatments like anti-allergy medication or nasal sprays will only treat symptomatically. So once you stop those medications, there's a tendency for the symptoms to come back. So with allergen immunotherapy, since the patient develops tolerance to the particular substance, the effect of this treatment will show even after you stop the treatment.
How long does it take to see the benefits?
It takes about 6 months to 1 year to show the benefit, and it is a long-term treatment and has to be continued for at least 1 to 2 years.
So what are the side effects or risks?
Allergen immunotherapy is usually very safe and effective. In cases of oral drops, sometimes you can have itching or irritation below the tongue. There's no severe allergic reaction noted with the sublingual immunotherapy, that is the oral drops. But with subcutaneous immunotherapy, there are chances of a severe allergic reaction. That is why they are supposed to be taken only at the clinic or the hospital.
Thank you for the information, Nabila.
Yeah.